Howdy y'all, it's Mike again, and it's good to see you. January was a great start to the new year. Fresh beginnings, new opportunities, and new ways to give back, and the possibility to make this year one of our best yet. Come along as we rewind and relive the start to the new year, this brand new season of Pasa, Casa. We started the year with a big celebration for our Vice President Luke Lowenfield with a party we won't soon forget.
That feels like the message for this new season of life, after 40, going into this next half of life, and much greater willingness to make mistakes without dwelling on them, because the focus is on the connection and the love and how much that outweighs anything that goes wrong. So doesn't matter what goes wrong, there's so much going right. We're alive, we're together, that's enough. So we're blessed. Thank you all for celebrating my birthday. Love you lots.
Yeah!
Loteria is back at Casa Nissan this year, and it's just as fun and popular as ever. It's happening every Wednesday from 6 to 7:30 p.m. with tons of prizes. We can't wait to see you there. Birthday parties, puppy parades, community events, what isn't going on at Casa?
Whoa, don't forget about Truck Month, Michael. We're rounding up our best deals on our best trucks.
Of course, how could I forget? Truck Month kickoff starts this February at Casa Ford in El Paso and Casa Ford in Las Cruces. So if you're looking for a truck, now's the time. As Tough Hedeman would say,
it's Truck Month, so it's time to get Ford tough.
Thanks, Moses.
Don't mention it.
We showed some love to our Casa employees with an appreciation event, giving out free tickets to the Battle of I-10, UTEP versus NMSU. It was a nail-biter, and everyone had a blast. But in the end, there could only be one winner, and this time, NMSU took the victory. Speaking of NMSU, they honored the Casa Autoplex with a game ball as a thank you for our partnership as a corporate sponsor. Huge shout out to NMSU. We're proud to support the Aggies. Casa Autoplex kept the momentum going with a Bake-A-Wish for Make-A-Wish event, helping to raise even more funds to help us achieve our goal of granting the 1,000th wish. And don't forget, you can be part of the journey too. Help Casa Auto Group and Make-A-Wish as we drive to grant the 1,000th wish. Scan the QR code on your screen for your chance to enter to win a beautiful Ford F-150. And don't forget to sign up for the Walk for Wishes. Casa Auto Group is covering registration fees, so let's show up for a fantastic cause.
The drive to 1,000 wishes starts now.
Thanks for riding along with us today. January was just the first rodeo, and we're only getting started. There's plenty more excitement coming your way from big events, giveaways, community gatherings, and plenty of fun along the trail. All right here at the Casa Auto Group. This has been Que Pasa Casa. We'll see you down the road.
Let's get them going. Them tough Ford trucks. Let's get them going.
Let's get them going. It's a Casa Ford exclusive F-150 XLT 2011 Sport Package with the color-coded everything. We're getting them going here at Casa Ford Montana at Bassett Center.
Let's get them going.